Welcome back to Phalcon tutorial part 10. In this tutorial I will discuss how to create multiple inheritance in Phalcon template. If you cannot understand Phalcon inheritance basic, please first cover Phalcon tutorial part 9. Look at that website. How to create multiple inheritance. First create a template. This name is bolt main.bolt. As second template's name is layout.bolt, and second template's layout.bolt extend main.bolt. This main.bolt file. If you create multiple inheritance, then must be write this super function inside on second inheritance option. And at last our index.bolt, it is our main controller and action related file. Look at that how to write this. Now take a real example. Open our editor, code editor. My code editor is Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code and now delete each of the things. I first check browser, as it is our previous single inheritance example. Now I delete each of the things. Delete as and from, and delete this as. Now let's create a simple multiple inheritance. For this tutorial I create bootstrap for templates, and copy this and paste inside on there. Save. I delete this. Now I create another templates. This name is multi dot bolt. This is our second inheritance templates. Let's start to take second inheritance. Write extend our extend templates. Write front dot bolt. Now write this block our block name is main. Yes, our block name is main, and I will type something inside on there. Navbar. I will copy this and paste inside on there. Yes. Now I type again extend method inside on our main bolt. Extend templates. Multi.bolt. Okay, our extend method is right. Now open browser and reload. Yes, our basic extend method is worked. Now type another option, that is third step. This third step is this step. Now I write this step. Write this block and write super function. Open bootstrap file and write another option. Open this. Copy and paste inside on there. Let's check. Yes, it's worked. Our multiple inheritance is worked. Next topics I will discuss Phalcon include and partial method. Thanks for watching.